Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited because we're going to talk about a skincare routine that's perfect for all you amazing teenagers out there. Whether you're dealing with acne, oily skin, or just want to keep your skin looking fresh and healthy, I've got you covered. All right, let's get into it and start glowing. Cleansing. The first and most crucial step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Teenagers often have oily skin due to hormonal changes, which can lead to acne and breakouts. It's essential to use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Morning and night, start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Apply a dime-sized amount of cleanser to your fingertips, then gently massage it onto your face in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Make sure to cleanse your entire face, including your forehead, nose, and chin where oil tends to build up. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Tip: look for cleansers that are labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. If you have acne-prone skin, a cleanser with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide can be beneficial. Toning? Next up is toning. Toners help to remove any leftover dirt and oil, tighten your pores, and restore your skin's pH balance. Apply a small amount of toner to a cotton pad or your hands and gently swipe it across your face, focusing on areas prone to oiliness. Avoid the eye area and let it dry naturally. Tip: choose an alcohol-free toner to avoid drying out your skin. Ingredients like witch hazel or tea tree oil can be great for keeping your skin clear and fresh. Moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a must. Skipping this step can actually make your skin produce more oil to compensate for the lack of moisture. Take a pea-sized amount of moisturizer and gently apply it all over your face and neck. Use upward circular motions to help the product absorb into your skin. Tip: for daytime, opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin from sun damage. At night, you can use a more hydrating formula if your skin needs it. Sun protection. Sun protection is crucial, especially for young skin. UV rays can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Every morning, after moisturizing, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Don't forget areas like your ears, neck, and the back of your hands. Tip: reapply sunscreen every 2 hours if you're spending a lot of time outdoors. There are also many moisturizers available with built-in SPF for convenience. Spot treatment. If you're dealing with acne, spot treatments can be very effective. Use these after moisturizing to target specific problem areas. Apply a small amount of acne treatment gel or cream directly onto blemishes. Ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid can help reduce inflammation and speed up healing. Tip: be cautious with spot treatments as they can be drying. Use them sparingly and follow the product instructions. Weekly treatments. Incorporating weekly treatments like masks and exfoliation can help maintain your skin's health and clarity. Once or twice a week, use a gentle exfoliating scrub to remove dead skin cells. Apply it to damp skin and massage gently, then rinse off. Clay masks are great for deep cleansing, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Apply the mask to your face, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. Tip: don't over-exfoliate as it can irritate your skin. Stick to once or twice a week to keep your skin smooth without causing damage. And that's it! A simple yet effective skincare routine for teenagers. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to this routine every day to see the best results. If you have any skincare tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.